last 30 days, last 7 days, $25. It's like, every store is not same, that's why. And sometimes sales getting less, sometimes high. So all together this whole time it's made 4141, and it's 8-month old store. I'd say digital making slow sales in the first 2 months. After that, it's boosting the sales, and now it's making amazing results every day. It's increasing. Some time like it's getting low, but mostly cases it's making 1500, 1000, and even I have other examples too. I have other stores too, and we are also working on Gumroad and some other stuff. So I hope you like it, and we will make your business succeed. You just have to check it, like how we are boosting the sales. Even we are not doing copy paste work. We are creating our own products. We have a professional team members, and we are managing some other services too. Let me show you. Here are the services that we are managing: Shopify, Etsy, eBay, Amazon, TikTok Shop, Walmart, Facebook Marketplace, web designing, SEO, Pinterest marketing, social media marketing, graphic designing, Fiverr gig ranking. So you can search it through One Step Ecom. Visit on this site